Hello everyone, it's Michael and welcome to today's tutorial on mastering function keys. In this video, we'll explore the functionalities of each function key from F1 to F12 and how you can leverage them in various applications. Let's dive in. Function keys, labeled F1 through F12, are located at the top row of your keyboard. Each key serves a unique purpose, often varying depending on the software or operating system you're using. Let's start with F1. F1, Help. Pressing F1 will bring up context-sensitive help or a help menu. F2, Rename. In file management systems or applications, pressing F2 allows you to rename a selected item. F3, Search. Pressing F3 initiates a search function to find files or text within a document or on a web page. F4, Open File/Find Next. Pressing F4 will open the address bar to type in a new location or find the next instance of a search term. F5, Refresh. In web browsers and file management systems, pressing F5 will refresh or reload the current page or file list. F6, Move cursor to the address bar. Pressing F6 moves the cursor to the address bar or search bar for quick navigation. F7, Spell Check. In some text editors and word processing programs, pressing F7 initiates a spell check of the document. F8, Boot Menu. During system startup, pressing F8 may bring up a boot menu to select a boot device or enter safe mode. F9, Refresh Field, Microsoft Word. In Microsoft Word, pressing F9 refreshes the selected field, e.g., updating the date or a formula. F10, Activate Menu Bar. In many programs, pressing F10 activates the menu bar. F11, Full Screen Mode. Pressing F11 toggles full screen mode, maximizing the application window to fill the entire screen. F12, Save As. In many programs, pressing F12 opens the Save As dialog box to save the current file with a new name or in a different location. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next tutorial.